Good morning, it's Sunday. So something happened yesterday that was the coolest, most unexpected thing that I could have ever expected. I'm gonna have to edit that out. In my my local town here, we have a thing called the Dairy Princess Parade. We have it every year. And we usually go every year, at least since we've had kids, we've definitely gone every year because they've got some cows, they've got some bounce houses, my kids love it, and it's a parade. So we were there and we were just sitting down to eat lunch, and a gentleman was approaching us with a child in his hands. I can't really remember how he started the sentence, but he's like, I think it might have even been like, I'm not sure how to start this conversation. And I was just like, where are you going with this, you know? He said something like, you're 1806 Stonehouse, right? Like, we watch you on YouTube. So I was like, somebody told you to come say that. That was my first instinct, that someone was playing a trick on me. My family tends to do that. I like to do metal detecting, and one time they buried like legit silver coins in the yard for me to find at a family event, because they thought it would be funny if I dug up silver coins and got all excited. So yeah, my family plays tricks on me. But this was not a trick. This gentleman, his name was Patrick, him and his family actually live basically in the same town as me. He thought I was from Pennsylvania. Must be my accent. And I don't know how long he's been a subscriber. We didn't really get into the details on that, but he watches the videos. Now, he found us on YouTube because he's got a stone house that him and his wife are also renovating. I have about 745 subscribers at the time of recording this video. For one of them to be from the same town, it's such a small world. And I'm so happy that he said hi.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you do. 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 Send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
Just got my cell phone here. I want to weigh one of these oak doors because I think they're pretty heavy. I'm interested on how heavy they really are. So I'm going to do the method where I weigh myself, then I pick a door up and weigh myself and do the math. So I weigh 170 pounds. 270. Well, that was 270 pounds. So that means they only weigh 100 pounds? Is that a lot for a door? Boom. Lights. This is the only wiring that I've done for the house. I put a switch. I moved these emergency switches. I have a plug-in down here. And I put these two lights in. I did that before I really knew anything about wiring. What happened is I had the electrical inspection guy here. He stopped in out of the goodness of his heart to kind of walk me through the upstairs and how I'm gonna wire it. Just kind of gave me some pointers. And while he was here, he saw this and he saw something that I did wrong, and it's been bothering me ever since. So today I'm gonna fix it so I can scratch that out of my mind, because things like that are just gonna bother me for a while. So let me show you what I did. The emergency switches, they have to be within arm's length of the door, which is obviously back here. Those two switches need to be more like over here. I won't say it, but that's exactly what Sarah said when we were doing it. She said that they should be closer. And I said, whatever, they don't need to be closer. Yes, they do. To anyone new that may not know, this shiplap was salvaged from the house's demo. So it was unfortunate that I had to cut these long pieces, but there really was no other way. And I don't have very much of that material left. That's a goner.